Good
Ma'am,
morning,
page number.
students. Page number
Morning,
60.
ma'am. Good morning.
Every, everyone, good morning. And turn on your camera, please. Varija, turn on your camera. Deep Patel, turn on your camera. Everyone, sit with your camera on, please. And take out page number 60. On page number 60, turn on your camera, those who are joining now, and open page number 60, chapter number 6, The Junk Sailor. Deep Patel. Deep Patel, this story, the about the junk sailor story, the name of the lady was what?
Yes, ma'am.
The woman, the one who is running this junk sailor shop. What is the name of that woman? Tell me fast. Laisha, you tell me.
Ma'am, Kiran.
Yes. The name of the woman, the one who is running the junk sailor shop, the name of the woman is Kiran. And where she is running this, which state? Where she is running this shop?
Patna.
Yes,
Patna.
Patna. And which shop she is running? Which
Junk
business she is
sailor.
doing?
Bid
Junk sailor.
junction.
Junk
Junk
sailor.
sailor. What is the other name of junk sailor?
कबाड़ी वाला.
कचरा वाला.
Kachra wala.
कबाड़ी वाला.
Kabari wala. And next, page number 61. Which new topic we have learned on page number 61?
About rupees and paise.
No.
मैम
61 पे
अबाउट
तो
लोन.
about loan. 61 page number पे we have learned about loan and interest, right?
यस मैम.
Yes. And now
62 पेज मैम.
page number 62. On page number 62, we have learned some multiplication tricks that on one day
Yes,
earning
ma'am.
this much and how much he is earning on 2 days or 3 days. So we have done some multiplication tricks. On
Yes,
page
ma'am.
numbers 63 and 62 and 63 multiplication we have done. 64 we have done about the column method of multiplication.
Column method.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now everyone open the page number 64. I'm
Ma'am
going to present
open.
my screen.
Ma'am, we have talked about 64, that column method.
Yeah, now
64 and 65.
I want to read about the smart Kiran sales the junk. Now see, if someone is, you all know that the junk is recycle also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The junk which we are selling to, let me take the attendance for a minute and mute your mic, Karnav Desai. Children, as you all know that the junk sailors are reselling their junk, and then that junk is recycle also. So if they are buying this from us, they are buying the junk from us, and then they are reselling it. So sometimes they sell it on profit also. What do you mean by the term profit? Who will tell?
Ma'am means
Yes,
ma'am
Sharana,
means
explain me.
ma'am means they sell like if the junk seller has sell them 50 rupees of 10 kg newspaper. So if they want to take profit, so they will take more than 50 rupees for 10 kgs.
Very good. And children, profit means when, if you suppose you have purchased this pen, right? You have purchased this pen from the market 10 rupees, and then you are reselling it to someone. For example, I am reselling it to Laisha, and I am reselling it to Laisha at 12 rupees. So the extra 2 rupees which Laisha is paying me is my profit. Not all, total 12 rupees is the profit. No, 12 rupees is not the profit. Why? Because 10 rupees तो मैंने भी पे किए थे ना इसको खरीदने में. Yes or no? Now when I'm selling it to at 12, so the extra amount, the balance amount between these is the 2. That 2 rupees is the profit. Whenever we buying it at less price and selling it at more price, the extra amount is the profit. And whenever we are buying it at 10 and selling it at 8 rupees, means we are earning a 2 rupees loss. Loss means come, profit means ज़्यादा.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, okay. Now you will understand why we earning profit on the same product and why sometimes we earn loss. We earn profit because sometimes वो demand में है वो product, need है उसकी. There are many possibilities why we earning the profit. Suppose if this is the marker, I want to buy, I am purchasing it at 10 rupees because I don't have any option, because in my area only one shopkeeper is there. If I will not buy, I have to go somewhere very far. So I can purchase whether it is giving at 10 or 12, मैं खरीद लूंगी. In that case, the shopkeeper is earning the profit. Why? Because I don't have other option to buy from anywhere. That is the reason some persons are earning profit. Profit के भी कई कारण होते हैं. There are many reasons why the persons are profit. क्योंकि हो सकता है the product is in demand. हो सकता है कि प्रोडक्ट को हम कहीं और से नहीं खरीद सकते, बिकॉज व्हेन वी गो इट विल टेक टाइम, सो बेटर वी बाय फ्रॉम द नियरेस्ट शॉप. लॉस के रीजंस क्या होते हैं? लॉस क्यों होता है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट पे? हो सकता है वो प्रोडक्ट अब पुराना हो रहा है, हो सकता है वो प्रोडक्ट अब आउटडेटेड हो गया है, हो सकता है वो प्रोडक्ट अब पेन मार्कर है तो व्हाट द शॉपकीपर फील्स कि हो सकता है इसकी इंक अब सूखने लग जाएगी तो बेटर है सेल कर दूं. Yes or no? So there are many possibilities of earning a loss also, many possibilities of earning a profit also. It depends on the product to product. So these are the reasons. Then sometimes we earn the loss on the product, sometimes we earn the profit on the product. Same way junk seller also do. Junk sellers, when they take the products from us and then they resell it for the recycling the product, sometimes they earn profit on the same product. Sometimes what happen, अब न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं, न्यूज़पेपर बारिश में गीले हो गए किसी भी रीजन से, बिकॉज ऑफ एनी रीजन गीले हो गए, राइट? यस. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपन, लॉस होगा ना उस न्यूज़पेपर को बेचने में, बिकॉज नाउ न्यूज़पेपर की कंडीशन जो है वो सेम नहीं है. सो व्हेन द रीसेल इट टू समवन, मींस उनको लॉस में भी सेल करना पड़ सकता है. गॉट इट? This is the way junk sellers can also earn the profit, can also earn the loss on their products. Now, on the profit and loss, I will show you one video. Wait a minute. Listen that video very carefully, that we will discuss the question based on that. I'm going to mute myself.
Profit and loss. Hello kids, today we will learn a new topic called profit and loss. Let me explain it to you through an example of a departmental store. Shall we start? Mr. D'Souza runs a departmental store. He buys goods at lower rates from the wholesalers. Then he sells these goods to customers at reasonably higher rates. Here, the amount paid by Mr. D'Souza to the wholesaler is called the cost price. The short form of cost price is CP. The amount paid by the customer to Mr. D'Souza is called the selling price. The short form of selling price is SP. If Mr. D'Souza sells his goods for a price higher than the cost price, he earns extra amount. It is called profit or a gain. Therefore, profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, or P is equal to SP minus CP. If Mr. D'Souza sells his goods to customers at a rate less than the cost price, he loses money. This is called loss. Therefore, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, or L is equal to CP minus SP. Now, let's solve a few examples to understand it in a better way. Find the profit or the loss if cost price is 46.60 rupees and selling price is 49.85 rupees.
Now children, this is the condition given to you. You need to solve it, write it in the chat box. Find the profit or the loss. In this condition, profit will come or loss will come. You have to tell me. Cost price. Cost price means the purchasing price. The purchasing price is 46.40 and the selling price is 49.85. So it is a profit or a loss. Here is writing profit. Very good. Because the shopkeeper is purchasing, means the cost price is 46.60. Children, please listen. When the decimal is there, we read it as 60, not 60. Because paisa we read single 46.60, 49.85. In this case, there is a profit. Now please write how much is the profit and how you will find the profit, how you will calculate the profit. Ahana, please pay attention and tell the answers. And after some time, you will say, ma'am, I have not understood. Please give the answers. How much is the profit? Now, please raise your virtual hand and tell me who want to give me the answer. Yes, Deep Patel. How much is the profit?
Ma'am, the profit is 3 rupees 25 paisa.
Yes. So, how you will write this? Rupees 3.25 profit. Got it? Okay. Now, I will again play the video.
Cost price is equal to 46.60 rupees. Selling price is equal to 49.85 rupees. Here, selling price is greater than the cost price. Thus, it is a profit. Thus, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 3.25. Thus, profit is equal to 3.25 rupees. Let's solve one more example. Naina bought a television for 33,298 rupees and sold it for 28,680 rupees. Find the profit or the loss incurred by Naina.
Please write it's a loss or a profit. Write it in the chat box. Rishik Bajaj is writing profit in this case, bacha. It's a loss. Dheer, you understood? Deep, Yuk Surana, are you all clear? Yes. How much is the loss now?
Yes,
Now
ma'am, I
find out how
know.
much is the loss. Find out how
Ma'am,
much is
can
the
I
loss.
tell you?
Yes, Yuk.
Ma'am, can I tell you? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's
No, wait.
5,000.
It is 33,298 was the purchasing price, means it's the cost price.
Purchasing
And the
price
selling price is 28,000
28 680 rupees.
680. So what is the
So
loss?
so the loss is 5,000
How 5,000?
600 5,000 only, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. It is this, right? Please check. Check, students.
No, it is 5. 3
Let me
Yes,
minus
check.
ma'am.
33,298, right?
Ma'am, so if we
No,
minus
ma'am,
third,
no.
not then 3
Ma'am,
minus
33,000
ma'am, if we minus 13
ma'am,
minus
it's
8, so it is 5.
4,618.
minus 28,680. No, it is this only.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
you are right.
Yes, it is
ma'am,
this
but
only. 33,298 minus 28,680. So, eight.
ma'am, but
Manna,
if
mute your
we
mic.
do 33,000 minus 3, so it's 30,000 and minus 2, so it's 28,000. So 5 no.
Ma'am, it is 4,618.
It this only. You please check. This is the answer. And
Ma'am,
this is what? This is loss. Yes, Rishik?
Ma'am, it
ma'am,
is
the answer is 4,618, no?
Yes, yes. The answer is 4,618 loss. I'm going to mute myself now.
Firstly, let's write the statements. Amount paid by Naina to buy the television is 33,000.
Mute your mic, please. Someone mic is on, Mir Virani. And please note these are in the word problem or the statement form. So please write the statements in these type of solutions.
298 rupees. Amount at which Naina sold the television is 28,680 rupees. We have to find the profit or the loss incurred by Naina. Here, the cost price is 33,298 rupees and the selling price is 28,680 rupees. As the cost price is greater than the selling price, it is a loss. Thus, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, which is equal to 4,618. Thus, Naina incurred a loss of 4,618 rupees. Further, let's see how to find the cost price or selling price when profit is given. We know selling price
So now we have learned today about the profit and loss, two different terms. Now you students, each child will make one question on one situation, either on loss or on profit, and start making. And I will call your name. You have to tell me. Yes, Dheer Patel. Make one situation, and others please start writing in the chat box. Everyone will write one word problem based on any one situation, either on profit, either on loss. Yes, the Dheer Patel, please start. Your mic is mute, bacha. Yes, Meet, you start. Can you orally start and tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please
Ma'am,
start any situation.
my friend bought an geometry box
Hmm.
uh, to me
Hmm.
to sell me. The cost price was of 50 rupees,
Hmm.
and he and the selling price was
Hmm.
40 rupees.
Hmm. So in this case, there's a profit or loss?
Loss.
How? Cost price was okay. Yeah, loss. Loss of how much?
10 rupees.
Yes, rupees 10. Very good. Next child. Navya.
My friend bought me a watercolors.
Hmm. My dear, it can be anything. It can be anything. Make different situation. That started a business. Then they have invested this amount. So when they start the business, the loss was this. Make different. Use your creativity. खाली friend और उस पे ही नहीं होना चाहिए, right? Use your different creativity for finding the profit and loss. Yes, Navya.
My auntie bought for me watercolors, and the cost price was 70,
Hmm.
and selling price was
So
40.
you want to sell it somewhere?
Mm, no,
Then how the cost price was 70 and the selling price was 40? Make the complete situation, make complete word problem. I want to complete story. I want to listen. I will give you a time. So by the time I'll move to other child. Yes, Rishik Bajaj. Make a story.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I buy a bicycle. It is
Hmm.
rupees 12,000. I
Okay.
sell it in 8,500 rupees.
Very
So
good.
it's a loss of 3,500.
Yes. Very good. Very good story. Yes, Meer Virani. And please use the big numbers as we are learning the everything with the larger numbers, so please use the larger numbers. Operation should be with the larger numbers. Yes, next Meer Virani.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my friend take a dog. Rupees 23,000 40 paisa.
23,040 paisa.
Yes.
For paisa also you are using. Okay.
And sell at 20, 24,000 and 40 paisa.
How much thousand?
So 24,000 and 40 paisa.
24,040 paisa. This is the selling price.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Selling price is 24, and it is not a loss. It is
It is
a
what?
profit.
Yes.
Profit.
So I will write 23 down because I need to subtract from the 24. So how much is the profit?
Ma'am, the profit is 40, 47. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, the profit is. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, I can tell you 1 minute after because
Yes.
I have forgotten that.
Okay. इसमें माइनस करने में क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है? It should be easy. Yes, next child. Please
Ma'am, I have sent the
raise
word
your
problem in the
raise your virtual
chat.
hand. Raise your virtual hand, those who are prepared. Let me read the word problem. Okay, the years written, my father bought a bottle for rupees 25,000 or 25 rupees and 23 and sell it for rupees 58.67. So Dhir, in this case, there is a profit or loss. You need to write the complete answer also you need to write along with your story. Here has written Leela bought a fridge of rupees 23 to 22,689 and sold it at rupees 24,968. In this case, there is a profit. Okay, let me check. Start. So she has very good here. Your question is very good. 22,000. Let me read again. 22,689 and sold it at rupees 24,968. So I will write 22,689 down, so it will be easy for subtraction. This was the selling, this was the cost price, right? Here, yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So let me check again and again. It is going down. Let me minus and find the answer.
Hello, mom. My answer.
24,000. Wait a minute. 24,968 minus 22,689. Students, just a minute. Yes, right. So we move to the next here. Next to Yug Surana. I take a house of rupees crore, 1 crore 50 lakhs 90,250, and I sell it at 2 crore 60 lakhs 90,260. So it's a profit of very good, Yug Surana. Deep Patel, my friend, bought a piano for
Thank you,
10,000 and
ma'am.
sold it at rupees 2. Deep Patel, give the answer also along with your story problem. Yes, Varinya, please type it in the chat box. Yes, Varinya, can you speak and tell us?
Yes, ma'am. Jia
Uh,
bought 10 boxes of apple.
okay.
She paid the shopkeeper rupees 120 and sold
Okay.
it at the price of rupees 140.
Very good. So it's in this case there is a profit or loss.
It is a profit, ma'am, and the profit is 260.
How 260? आपने तो दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. I said the balancing amount is the profit. Cost price was this and the selling price was this. When selling price is more than the cost price, in this case there is a profit. And how to find the profit? Selling price minus cost price. 140 minus 120. It will be your 20 rupees profit. The balancing amount is the profit, not the total amount. Cost price and selling when you do total, it is not the answer. Got it, Varija?
Can I say?
Yes, please.
I bought some clothes for rupees 25 rupees and 720.
Please, as I already told, use the large numbers 25, 30, 150, 100, 3 digit or four. Please use 4 digit numbers.
Yes, ma'am. For rupees 52 rupees and 725 paisa. And I sold
725. See. Use what you said. How many rupees?
52.
52 rupees and
725 paisa.
725. How it is possible the 3 digit number in the paisa?
No,
3 digit.
ma'am. It's a little untidy. No, so I wrote. I can see it's 725, but it's 72. But
Yeah, it should be a 2 digit number in the paisa. Okay, Varina, you better write it in the chat box. Kiana, please speak. Situation. Varija, write it in the chat box. I will listen. Read it. Kiana left the class. Khush Desai, please write. Tell me your word problem.
Okay, ma'am. M- Uh, my mother bought me a toy of 5,000 rupees,
Hmm.
and mm, and and the selling price was of 3,000.
Selling price means you are selling it to someone.
What, ma'am?
Your mama, the bought price, your mother bought a toy, no? The bought price is always the cost price, जिस पे उन्होंने खरीदा. If you are now reselling it to someone, your friend, to your family member, or someone, then it will be the selling price, right?
Yes, ma'am. The cost
Okay.
price of the toy was 5,000, and the selling price was of 3,000.
Yeah. So the cost price was 5,000 and now you are selling it to someone at 3,000. In this situation, there is a profit or a loss
Ma'am, it is a loss.
of how much rupees?
Ma'am, it will be of 8,000.
No, balancing amount is the
Sorry,
loss.
ma'am,
5 minus,
2,000. 2,000.
yes,
Ma'am,
rupees
I
2,000 loss.
ma'am.
Now, wait. Now, I want to read the students, those who have written in the chat box. I built a house of rupees 1 crore and sell it at 3.5 crores. Very good. So in this case, there is a profit, right, Rishit? So it is a profit of 2.5 crores. Very nice. Laisha, my father bought a doll of rupees 500 and I sell it for rupees. Wait a minute. And I sell it at rupees 600. So it's a profit of rupees 100. Bhakti has written, can you, yeah. Bhakti, where is yours? I want to see. Ah. My father bought a puppy of rupees 4,000 cost price and the sell for 1,000. So it is a loss of 3,000. Very good. Good. Right. It's right. Priyag, you have written in the chat box?
No, ma'am, I want to say it orally.
Okay. Okay. Let me read it out and then I'll give you a time. Kavisha, my mother bought a diamond necklace of rupees 2,11,456 and sell it that 2,12,000. So in that case, there is a profit. Very nice. Nice. Now you can see you are slowly growing from the small digit to the big numbers, and you have learned the concept of profit and loss. Yes, Priya, please explain.
My father brought a painting of the cost rupees is 3,400, 3,000, no, 34,400, 688.
34,400,
No,
600.
688. It's
Yeah.
688.
Hmm.
And sell it at 32,466.
Hmm.
So it's loss of 2,222.
Very good.
Ma'am, may I can
Very good, excellent. Yes. Hit will tell me, then Arnav Desai will tell me. But by the time I want to explain something, today your home task is you have to make two word problems on the situation of profit, two story problem, the same way we have done. You have to write the story problem and their solution also in your notebook, two based on profit, two based on loss.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you will send it in the classroom.
Yes, I will send it in the classroom. Okay. So two story problems along with the solution based on profit, two story problems along with the solution based on loss. And everyone's creativity I want to see. Right. Now, Hit Kasoria, please give me the answer.
Ma'am, answer or word problem?
Yeah, word problems along with the answer, please.
Okay, ma'am. My father bought a car of 80 lakh and the cost price is 80 lakh and sell price is 50 lakh. So my father got a loss for 30 lakh.
Very good. Very good. Now I will read Varenya's. Meer has written, my friend take a dog of rupees 2340 and sell is 2440. So it is a profit of 1,000. Acha. So why you have written Meer Virani the short form which is 2340? You need to write 23,040 paisa. 24,040 paisa, then you need to write the 1,000 profit, right? Because here your numbers are 2-digit numbers only.
Ma'am, may I
Vari-
can
Wait, Arnav. I bought a clothes. Varija has written 52 rupees 52.70 and sold it at 63.75. So it is a profit. Varija, are you listening me? It's a profit because you're selling it at more. And how to find the profit? By subtracting, by balancing amounts. Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Arnav,
so
just right.
the profit is 11 rupees and 132 paisa.
132 will not come in the paisa, my dear. 3 digits will not come in the paisa.
Ma'am, may I can say? Yeah,
Yes,
my
Arnav, last and then,
my
yeah, please
father.
fast.
When my father take a new car, rupees 90 lakh, and my father sell rupees crore. This is a profit
Okay.
of 1,000 lakh.
You
Ma'am,
can
he is
check the
saying
digits.
1,000.
Yeah, you please check the digits and then give the answer. Tomorrow again, I'll give you the chance in the next class. So today, home task is clear. I will put it in the classroom. Please attach your notebook work. Thank
Okay,
you,
ma'am.
students, for today's class.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.